Nehru Smarak Stadium. Nehru Smarak Stadium, situated in Muzaffarpur, Bihar, is one of the prominent multi-purpose sports venue in region. Named in the honor of Indian Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru, the stadium holds historical and cultural significance in addition to sporting importance. The stadium has been used for various sports including cricket, football, athletics. One of the year it has hosted numerous local and regional tournaments, making it a central hub for sports activities in Muzaffarpur. Its versatility as a multi-purpose venue adds to its value within the community. In the context of cricket, Nehru Smarak Stadium serves as an important ground for district level matches and training sessions. It has witnessed the participation of many local teams and budding cricketers who use the facilities to develop their skill. The stadium's role in promoting cricket at the grassroots level is noteworthy. The infrastructure of the stadium includes a standard playing field, basic seating arrangement, and essential amenities for players. While it may not match the sportification of modern international stadium, it provides a functional environment for sporting event. Efforts have been made from time to time to improve its facility and maintaining its usability. The pitch of Nehru Smarak Stadium is generally considered suitable for local matches. It offers a fair contest between bat and ball, although conditions may vary depending on maintenance. The outfield is adequate for regular play, ensuring that matches can be conducted smoothly. One of the key aspects of this stadium is its accessibility and central location within the Muzaffarpur. This makes it a convenient venue for hosting events and attracting spectators. It also encouraging participations from nearby areas, thereby expanding the reach of sports activities. In addition to sports, the stadium is sometimes used for a public gathering and event, highlighting its importance as a community space. This multifunctional use ensures that facility remain active and relevant throughout the year. Nehru Smarak Stadium is a vital sports venue in Muzaffarpur with a strong legacy of supporting local athletes and cricket. Its continued use and a periodic upgrade reflect the community commitment to promoting sports and providing opportunity for young athletes.